show YouTube that you can count to 10.
I don't like counting. I failed math with a big fat 0.
I don't care what you don't like. I want to look like a parent of a very brilliant kid.
1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10.
That doesn't count. You counted in Danish and skipped numbers.
URA horrible pandiviso didn't exist.
What did you just say?
I said you are a horrible parent and I wish you didn't exist.
I sure regret your existence.
All you do is ground me.
Maybe I have reasons for that.
5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 7, 8, 9, 6, 4, 8, 7, 5, 8, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
I am so tired of hearing those words.
I will say them even more now just to annoy you.
7, 5, 9, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 7, 3, 8, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 5, 8, 6, 5, 7.
That's it. I will destroy the blocks you are standing on. You are grounded until you get back up and count to 10 in English with no errors.